Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to turn on Discord overlay on your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your Discord. Okay. So once you've opened your Discord, you want to click on the user settings at the lower left part of your screen. Now you want to scroll down until you see the activity section and click on Game Overlay. And here at the upper part of your screen, you can see the Enable in-game overlay. Okay, so just go ahead and click on the switch at the right side of it. And if the switch is color green, it means that your Discord overlay is now turned on. And that is how you do it. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.